Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Miss Juliet English Channel. We're glad you're joining us today. I'm Juliet.
And I'm Romeo. On our channel, we help you practice natural English for everyday life.
If you enjoy our lessons, please support us by liking this video and subscribing.
Today, we're focusing on a topic that everyone knows well.
Yes, indeed. Today's subject is your daily work routine. We'll talk about our jobs and what our days look like.
So, Juliet, how are you feeling today?
I'm doing all right, Romeo. A little sleepy, but overall fine. How about you?
I'm feeling great. You said you're a bit tired. What's the story?
I woke up too early. My dog decided 5 a.m. was the perfect time to practice his barking skills.
Oh dear, your dog is an early musician.
Apparently, it was a full concert just for me.
That's hilarious. My cat does the opposite. She naps like it's her job.
Lucky you. So, did you do anything interesting this weekend?
Yes, I visited a lake nearby and enjoyed the sunshine. I also finished a great novel.
Sounds peaceful. My weekend was lively. I met my cousins and the house was full of noise and fun.
Family gatherings are the best. I'm glad you're here today, even if you're a bit tired.
Same here. I'm ready to talk about work.
All right. So, Juliet, what exactly do you do?
I work in an office, mostly using computers. I'm a support specialist for customers.
A customer support specialist. Interesting. What does that involve?
It means I help people who use our product. They contact me when something goes wrong, and I try to fix it.
So you talk to many different people throughout the day?
Exactly. No 2 days feel the same because every issue is different.
I see. So your job is mainly at a desk, right?
Yes, totally. I'm at my desk almost all day.
A classic desk job.
That's right. I'm there from 9 to 5 most days.
The famous 9 to 5. Very common working hours. What about me? I'm a teacher.
Yes, you teach English, but you start earlier than I do.
My classes begin at 8:30 a.m.
That is early. Do you like waking up that early?
Actually, yes. I enjoy quiet mornings. I usually wake around 6 a.m.
Wow. I'm not built for early hours. I get up at 7:30 and survive on 2 cups of coffee.
I understand. I prefer tea to start the day.
Tell me, what's the first thing you do when you arrive at the office?
Well, I stop by my desk and say hello to my coworkers.
Coworkers. That's a useful word.
Yes, my coworker Anna sits next to me and we always chat for a minute.
That's nice. It's good to have friendly people around.
After greeting everyone, I turn on my computer. It's old, so it takes forever.
Same here sometimes.
While I wait, I check my paper planner and write down my tasks.
Old school style.
Once the computer wakes up, I open my emails. There are always tons of them.
How many?
Usually around 20 or 30 new ones every morning.
That's a lot.
I skim them quickly. I reply to the simple ones first.
Smart strategy. Do you have a morning meeting?
Yes, at 10 a.m., our team gathers for a short update.
What happens there?
Our team leader shares important news, and we talk about difficult issues from the previous day.
Sounds efficient.
Thankfully, it only lasts about 15 minutes.
Lucky you. Teacher meetings last forever sometimes.
After the meeting, the phones start ringing, and I begin helping customers.
Are people usually polite?
Most of them are, but once in a while, someone is upset.
That must be tough.
I stay calm, listen, and remind them I'm here to help.
You're very patient.
I try. After a few calls, it's coffee break time.
Do you take it with someone?
Yes, my friend Mark from a different department. We talk about random things, shows, weekend plans, anything.
Sounds relaxing.
I take a quick snack break around 10:30.
What do you usually eat?
An apple or some cookies. Sometimes another teacher brings pastries. That's the best.
Pastries make everything better. After break, I return to more emails and calls. Before lunch, I write reports.
Reports?
Yes, summaries of the cases I handled that morning. My manager checks them.
Got it. So you work straight through to lunch.
Usually, yes. I eat around 12:30.
Where do you eat?
Sometimes in the cafeteria. Sometimes I bring food and watch videos at my desk.
Not sure if that's healthy, but I understand. What about your lunch?
Mine is at 12. I always bring something from home.
What did you bring today?
A chicken salad. Simple, but good.
I had a sandwich and an apple. Boring, but fine.
You should try new recipes. After lunch, I get sleepy. It's that afternoon low energy.
Same for me. I grab another coffee.
I see the pattern. In the afternoon, I have video calls with clients.
Clients, meaning people who buy your company's products?
Exactly. Sometimes their issues are complicated, so we share screens.
Challenging, but interesting. Meanwhile, my students get sleepy after lunch, so I try fun activities to wake them up.
Games must help a lot.
They do, sometimes.
When do you finish work?
My last class ends at 3:30, but I prepare for the next day until about 4:15.
Nice finishing time. I'm done at 5 unless I need extra time.
That can feel long.
True, but usually by 5, I shut down my computer, say goodbye, and leave.
And then your commute begins.
Yes, meaning the trip from work to home.
How long is yours?
Around 30 minutes by bus. Crowded buses are the worst, but sometimes it's okay.
What do you do on the bus?
I listen to music or audiobooks, or just stare out the window.
Sounds calming. I walk home, only 15 minutes.
Walking is great. I should do it more.
When you get home, what's the first thing you do?
I change into comfy clothes and relax on the sofa.
Same. I make tea and enjoy a quiet moment.
Do you cook dinner afterward?
Usually, yes. Something simple and quick.
If I'm tired, I just order takeaway, often pizza.
That happens to me too. Maybe twice a week.
Cooking after work feels like a workout sometimes.
True. So, Juliet, do you enjoy your job?
Yes, it can be stressful, but I like helping people.
And I enjoy teaching. It's challenging, but meaningful.
Meaningful is a great word. It means the work feels important and satisfying.
I get that feeling too when someone appreciates my help.
Every job has good and bad parts.
For example, slow computers drive me crazy.
Or internet, the worst in the classroom.
Technology is wonderful until it stops working.
Truth. What's the best part of your workday?
Lunchtime. I enjoy chatting with colleagues. And finishing everything at 5 feels great too.
I love when my students finally understand a tough lesson. That must feel amazing. What's the hardest part for you?
When students lose focus, it's tough to keep them engaged.
I know that feeling. For me, it's handling big problems that take forever to solve.
But you always figure it out, right?
I try. Sometimes I ask my manager. Teamwork helps.
Same here. Teachers help each other all the time.
Do you think about work on weekends?
I try not to, but sometimes I prepare for lessons.
I completely disconnect on weekends.
Smart. Rest is important.
Absolutely. Today we also used many helpful vocabulary words.
Yes, and let's review a few of them.
Let's start with coworkers.
Coworkers are the people you work with.
Exactly. Like the other teachers at your school or Anna next to me.
You can say, I'm eating with my coworkers, or I asked a coworker for help.
Next word, commute.
The commute is the travel time between home and work.
Yours is 30 minutes by bus. Mine is a 15-minute walk.
A commute can be long, short, easy, or tiring.
Now let's look at schedule.
Your schedule is your plan, what you do and when you do it.
My schedule shows my meetings. Yours shows your class times.
It can also be a verb, like the meeting is scheduled for 2 p.m.
Next, let's talk about report.
A report is a document that gives information about something.
For example, you write reports about calls you handled.
Students write reports too, book reports, project reports.
Now, another important word is deadline.
A deadline is the final time to finish something.
Deadlines can be stressful, but they help us stay organized.
For example, I must finish preparing my lessons before my deadline each afternoon.
And I need to resolve customer issues before the deadline my manager sets.
Another useful word is task.
A task is a piece of work you need to do, big or small.
You write your tasks in your